Good morning, dear children. So, this is Vaishali ma'am welcomes you to your value education class. Children, by now we have done up to chapter 11 from your value education, and now today we are going to start chapter number 12. The name of the chapter is Ambition. Children, in this chapter, we are going to study about some of the main well known personalities of the world who kept their ambition as their passion and they moved in the direction to fulfill it. But first of all, we should come to know that what is ambition. Children, ambition is something that you very much want to have or do, or a strong desire to be successful. That is called an ambition. In Hindi, we can call it आकांक्षा. आपका गोल, आप जिंदगी में जब भी कुछ करना चाहते हैं, that is known as your ambition. Children, in this chapter also you will understand that how these people reach their goal by keeping the eye on their ambition, only on their ambition. Okay? Pearl Bailey has said, "A man without ambition is dead." Children, this is a very true quote. If we are without any ambition, if we are without any goal, if we don't have something to fulfill in life, that means we are like a car which is moving on endless road. Okay? हम ऐसी कार की तरह या ऐसी गाड़ी की तरह हो जाते हैं जो कि कंटिन्यूसली चल तो रही है, बट वी डोंट नो वेयर इट विल स्टॉप. ओके, सो इट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी टू हैव एन एम्बिशन इन योर लाइफ. वी ऑल ड्रीम टू बी समथिंग. हम अपना सबका सपना रखते हैं. हम सबका सपना होता है कि हम कुछ बनना चाहते हैं. हम डॉक्टर बनना चाहते हैं, हम इंजीनियर्स बनना चाहते हैं. Someone wants to be an astronaut, someone wants to be a scientist, okay, someone wants to be a management expert. So everything, whatever you want to be, is also your ambition. Some people only think that they want to be successful in life. Okay, that also is their ambition. They will try very hard to be a successful person in life. Okay. Everybody has certain dreams which he or she wants to fulfill. The strong desire to achieve something is ambition. For achieving your ambition, you need to keep your eyes on the goal. Okay? If we will keep eyes on our goal, if we will concentrate on our ambition, on our goal, हम अपने सपने पे concentrate करते हैं, then only we will be able to achieve our ambition. Florence Chadwick was a great swimmer who conquered English Channel. Children, English Channel is an arm of Atlantic Ocean and separates southern England from northern France. Southern England और northern France को ये अलग करता है. It is an arm of Atlantic Ocean. Okay, it is known as English Channel, and this it is basically in Atlantic Ocean, so the water of the Atlantic Ocean is very cold. And Florence Chadwick was a great swimmer. तैराक थी वो बहुत अच्छी, and she conquered that. She crossed that English Channel by swimming. She was on her way becoming the first woman to swim across the Catalina Channel. There was intense fog, bone-chilling cold and sharks in the water. Yet she was fighting against all odds. She was striving to reach the shore, but she could not see anything except the dense fog, and so she gave up. She was bitterly disappointed when she came to know that she was only half a mile away from the coast when she quit. She quit only because her goal was not in sight. 2 months later, she swam across the Catalina Channel. This lady, Florence Chadwick, wants to cross this English Channel. But what happened? It was so cold, the sharks were there, fog was there, and everything she was not able to cover. And at a point of time, शी गेव अप. एक टाइम के बाद उन्हें ऐसा लगा कि अब वो नहीं कर पाएगी. बट द शॉकिंग थिंग वॉज व्हेन शी केम आउट एंड शी केम टू नो that the place, that Catalina chamber was Catalina channel was almost half a mile to complete. वो सिर्फ आधे हाफ माइल से वो वहाँ पर पहुँचने से रह गई. एंड शी quit. And why this happened? Because she was not clear where she has to reach. And suddenly what happened then? Again, after 2 months, she again tried to cross that channel and she crossed. In spite of the bad weather, she achieved her goal and beat the men's record by 2 hours. It was possible for her the second time because her goal was set. She could do it. Okay, weather was so bad that she achieved her goal and beat the men's record. वो men का जो भी men who all have crossed that channel, she has beaten that record also by 2 hours. And it was possible for her second time. Why? Because now she was clear that she has to do it. उसने सोच लिया था कि नहीं, जो मैंने हाफ अ माइल करके छोड़ दिया था, अगर आधे माइल से वो हारते नहीं तो शायद वो पहली बार में ही कॉन्कर कर सकती थी. बट नो, शी डिड नॉट. बट दिस टाइम शी वॉज मोर श्योर दैट शी कैन डू दैट. ओके. The other well-known personality in which the picture also you can see in the chapter, that is Kalpana Chawla. We all know her children. She is a lady of Indian origin. She was born in India in Karnal. Okay. Kalpana Chawla had a strong desire to travel beyond the horizon, to fly into the heavens and touch the stars someday. She made this desire the ambition of her life and became the first Indian woman to go in space. Kalpana Chawla was born in 1961 in Karnal in a traditional middle class family. She was the youngest of the 4 children. From the very childhood, sketching and painting airplanes was her passion instead of dressing up dolls. Her brother Sanjay was her mentor throughout her journey, as both of them shared the same dream and vision, which was to fly. She was born in Karnal in Haryana, okay, in 1961 in a normal middle class family. She was among the 4 children. She was the youngest, सबसे छोटे थे वो अपने घर में. और उनकी हॉबी क्या थी शुरू से? स्केचिंग एंड पेंटिंग द एयरप्लेन्स. इट वॉज हर पैशन. उन्हें बहुत पसंद था. वो गुड़िया से खेलना नहीं पसंद था जितना उन्हें एरोप्लेन से खेलना पसंद था. एंड शी ऑलवेज वांटेड टू फ्लाई वेरी हाई. ओके. एंड हर ब्रदर ऑल्सो सपोर्टेड हिम. ही वॉज द मेंटर ऑफ कल्पना चावला एंड एवरीथिंग व्हाट शी dreamt of, the brother supported him. After graduating from Tagore School, Karnal in 1976, she decided to do a bachelor degree from Punjab University in Chandigarh. She was the only girl in the aeronautics batch. Okay, she took admission in Punjab University in Chandigarh. She did the schooling also from Tagore School Karnal and after that she went for bachelor degree. And वो अकेली थी जिन्होंने एरोनॉटिक्स में एडमिशन लिया. वी ऑल नो व्हाट इज एरोनॉटिक्स चिल्ड्रन. इट इज़ द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस विच डील्स विद द स्टडी ऑफ स्पेस. ओके. सो शी ऑल्सो took admission in aeronautics. Her family initially resisted her decision, but they also knew that she was a determined person and nothing would stop her. She did her master's in science in aerospace engineering from University of Texas in 1984 and PhD in aerospace engineering from University of Colorado in 1888. Okay. First, the family was not ready for her to support, but they also know कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रांगली अपने ड्रीम के लिए पैशनेट हैं, वो अपने डिसीजन पर टिकी हुई हैं. सो दे ऑल can't stop her. Okay, and she went to Texas to complete the masters in aerospace engineering related to airplanes and aircrafts. Okay, from the University of Texas in 1984, and she then did her PhD in aerospace engineering from University of Colorado in 1988. She became a PhD holder. Okay, she took a doctorate degree. She was doctorate in aerospace engineering. In 1994, this was a well-known time, children. She was selected by NASA. All of us have heard about NASA. NASA is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Okay, and it is a United States US government agency. Okay, so she was selected by NASA from among 4,000 applicants for its astronauts program. After 3 years of selection by the NASA, she became the first Indian born in space, and her dream was fulfilled. She was appointed a mission specialist and prime robotic arm operator in Columbia. Columbia was the space shuttle that was sent in the space. Okay, and she became as the mission specialist and prime robotic arm operator. She went in space. She was the first Indian born woman to go in space. Okay, at the age of 35, her career graph has reached its peak. She was among the 7 crew members on Columbia, which spent 16 days in orbit studying the effects of microgravity on a variety of materials, focusing on how metals and crystals' solidity when removed from the distorting effects of gravity. वो इस चीज़ की स्टडी कर रहे थे कि जिस समय ग्रेविटी जो अर्थ का ग्रेविटेशनल पुल है उसके जो रेंज से हम जब बाहर जाते हैं, सो हाउ मेटल्स एंड क्रिस्टल्स सॉलिडिफाई. ओके, कैसे उसमें वो सॉलिड होते हैं जब वो अर्थ ग्रेविटी से बाहर निकल जाते हैं. बट व्हाट हैपेंड देन? Her second flight as a mission specialist on Columbia was a moment of joy for all Indians. Her return was eagerly awaited, but fate had some other plans. But they studied everything, but unluckily, what happened when they were returning back? Okay, everyone was very happy and were all waiting for their landing. जब ये कोलंबिया जो स्पेस शटल था वॉज अबाउट टू लैंड, ओके, उसके 16 मिनट्स पहले चिल्ड्रन इट एक्सप्लोडेड इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. वो ब्लास्ट हो गया था उसके अंदर, एंड शी डाइड अलॉन्ग विद ऑल द क्रू मेंबर्स. ओके, they were no more. They all died just before 16 minutes they were about to reach on Earth. She will always be a source of inspiration to young men and women, and till now, till date, we all know and we feel proud about Kalpana Chawla, and she has given a way, a vision to all the people all around the world. It doesn't matter आप कहाँ से पढ़ रहे हो, आपका सिटी कौन से सिटी में हो, आप छोटी है बड़ी है, बट इफ़ योर विजन इज़ क्लियर, इफ़ योर गोल इज़ क्लियर टू यू, you can achieve a lot of things in the life. Okay, so what is the moral of the story, children? Ambition helps us to achieve perfection in life. For achieving your ambition, you need to keep eyes on the goal. Okay, then ambition makes your life meaningful. What is the moral of the chapter? Ambition makes your life meaningful, and ambition make more things possible. Okay, ambition makes more things possible. So children, always set a goal in your life. It can be a long term, it can be a short term goal, but goals will change your life if you have a clear vision towards it and a confidence that you can complete it. एक कॉन्फिडेंस आपके पास होना चाहिए कि नहीं, जो मैंने सोचा है मैं उसे पूरा कर सकता हूँ. Then nothing is difficult in the world. Understood? Thank you children.